Days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Monday, first day of week. Tuesday, second day of week. Wednesday, third day of week. Thursday, fourth day of week. Friday, fifth day of week. Saturday, sixth day of week. Sunday, seventh day of week. Lesson review. First day is Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. Seventh day is Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.